Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed by the CMF Phone 1, a smartphone that breaks the mold and redefines what's possible in the mobile world. Brought to you by Nothing, the brand behind innovative earphones and accessories, the CMF Phone 1 is set to turn heads with its distinctive design, creative features, and affordable price tag. Right from the moment you open the box, you'll know you're in for a unique experience. Nothing has gone all out with the packaging, including a screwdriver to assemble your phone, multiple accessories, and a love letter from the company. It's like getting a special gift, not just a new smartphone. The CMF Phone 1 doesn't just come with the standard charger and cable, it's an accessory haven. You'll get stylish earphones, a smartwatch with interchangeable dials, a skipping rope for those active moments, various phone covers, a phone stand, and even a unique SIM ejector. It's like having a whole tech ecosystem in one box. The CMF Phone 1's design is anything but ordinary. It features a bold, colorful back panel, a retro-inspired removable back cover, and a unique dial on the bottom edge. It's a phone that dares to be different, sure to turn heads wherever you go. Underneath its eye-catching exterior, the CMF Phone 1 packs some serious power. It's equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor, ensuring smooth performance and seamless connectivity. The phone also boasts 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive visual experience. Based on our initial hands-on experience, the CMF Phone 1 feels solid and well-built, with a premium look and feel. The removable back cover might be a throwback to older phones, but it adds a touch of nostalgia and customization. The phone's bulky feel might not be for everyone, but it's definitely a unique design choice. This is just a glimpse of what the CMF Phone 1 has to offer. In our upcoming full review, we'll dive deeper into its performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and overall user experience. So, stay tuned to find out if this unique smartphone lives up to the hype. The CMF Phone 1 is a refreshing take on the smartphone market, combining innovative design, creative features, and an affordable price tag. If you're looking for a phone that breaks the mold and stands out from the crowd, the CMF Phone 1 is definitely worth considering.